This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. It is Tuesday, March the 13th, 2012. Let's take a look at two breakout ideas here, and they're in the way of retail real estate space. Actually, let me begin by going to the XHB, which is let me see whether I can find that here. The XHB, here we go. You look on the weekly here, we are now pushing the RSI above 69.10 on the weekly. You see that we had based here, we made a high, I think the first week of February, somewhere around there, and we've been basing on, or maybe the first, let's say the first couple of weeks of January, and we had a base that was 1, 2, 3, 4, about 6 weeks, and then we are now following through on this breakout here. So the XHB, defying all odds and continues to push higher. Let's take a look at the XHB, which is now the sector that we are. Again, you see that I spoke about this on my weekend video. You see now we are pushing to levels not seen before the crash of 2008, somewhere around there. So we are back above those levels. We're making 3-year highs. You see that also the RSI is pushing to fresh 3-year highs there, which is the minimum requirement for the ultimate Muathe breakout. That being the case, we need to find out ideas that can take advantage of that, and the best way for us to do that is to find stocks in that sector, and I have two for you, and they are see whether I can. The first one is PHM, Paul-T Group, which is breaking out on a weekly chart. The buy point is at 8.91. 8.91 is your buy point, and you'd like to set a stop somewhere below this level. But 8.91, as long as the stock stays above that, you see that we had a test, the stock moving above 69.10 earlier this year, and then we are now moving back to this 69.10 again level again. In other words, the stock is showing RSI strength, and we see that now the price is also following through. Again, that's your buy point. That's all you need to key in as your buy point, and with a stop after that. Another stock we need to take a look at is SPF, is Standard Pacific Corporation, another real estate play. And you see that we are also, after making a high here, first week of February, we've been settling down and now trying to break out on the weekly. Your buy point here on this one is 4.55. So you either pick the PHM or you pick the SPF as your buys, but they both look solid. Should we get would like this one to move above 69.10 to confirm strength, but I think it's going to do that as long as the market stays strong. So you have two ideas there. You go ahead and own one. You don't want to own both of them because they move pretty much step for step. So if you really want to go with the one that's already showing strength, I would go with a PHM, just because the RSI is already trading above 69.10. This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As long as the market is holding on to breakout levels, we have to play these breakout stocks. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Good luck, peace, and blessings.